Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Theta Box. So today I will show you how to activate dark mode feature in your Facebook application, and this dark mode feature is almost rolling out in WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger and etc. And here I show the steps by using my Samsung Galaxy M30s device, but the same feature is also available for all Android mobile devices including iOS iPhone. So anyway, let's go to our tutorial. But here I using Facebook Lite application because it consumes less mobile data. So due to this reason, most of them using this Facebook Lite application. So if you're not installed it, first of all you can get it from Google Play Store or App Store. So after the installation is completed, just click to open this Facebook Lite application and don't forget to log in your account details. So now in this homepage section, you can press this horizontal 3 lines icon and it is placed at almost top of right side corner, and it shows some Facebook features, but you can scroll down. So finally I get this new update of dark mode, and this option is placed followed by settings category. So just click to enable this option. So and then you can see now my dark mode feature is successfully activated, and this dark mode will protect your eyes even if you are using this Facebook application in night time. So this is the way you can easily activate your Facebook dark mode by watching my tutorial. For more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Theta Box, and thanks for watching.